Good afternoon everybody, and welcome to How to Cook It's new video. It's a Kashmiri Red Lamb Stew where I'll be using leftover lamb to make it. In the pan I'm roasting 10 cardamom pods and half a stick of cinnamon. You can use a whole one if you wish for more flavour. I like to put in a courgette which I've sliced, but you can also put in some spinach if you wanted to, and it's nice to serve this dish with rice, or you can even serve it with potatoes. Put everything into a slow cooker pot, and I will cook this stew on a low setting. That's a lamb stock cube, or you can even use beef if you wish, it's up to you. And I like to put my garam masala in. There's a tablespoon going in there for extra flavour. In the blender I whisked up a thumb pea size of ginger with at least a tablespoon of whole fennel seeds, and I'm rinsing it out with water so it's easy just to get all the bits of ginger for flavour. You don't tend to put onions into a Kashmiri Red Lamb Stew because Hindus don't eat that many, or not a lot, of onions and garlic. Now with the leftover lamb I've just chopped up, it was from a Sunday roast. And what I like to do is put the bone in for extra flavour. Believe it or not, it does seem to give it a bit of an extra additional bit of flavour. Now I'm just gauging the water so that it's going to be about halfway. And what I like to do once the after about 3-4 hours is I also like to add a tin of chickpeas to it. But what you can see happening here, folks, is I'm just giving it a lot of seasoning with black pepper, plenty or a good amount of salt. I'd say about a teaspoon, no more than that. Your daily allowance is about 6 grams of salt a day as adults. Chilies, I've got just a few chilies, or you can use cayenne pepper as long as it's about a teaspoon, or add as much as you want to your flavouring. It's up to you how spicy you like it. Paprika pepper's really nice to give it a bit of warmth, about 4 teaspoons worth. And then give your Kashmiri stew a nice stir. And as I say, I put a tin of chickpeas in halfway through the cooking time. You can put it on high for 4 hours, so then you put it in after 2 hours. The chickpeas, up to you. But the end result's beautiful and nice, served with some poppadoms, and as I say, I serve mine with rice. Hope you enjoyed the new video. Thank you.